What's up YouTube, it's your boy Car Vince Reg and welcome back to another video. And in today's video we are going to be installing a 350Z tube on the G35. And I'm kind of excited because I don't know if you guys ever rode in like 350Zs before, but you could really hear the air sucking into the engine. Like, it sounds so dope, and I think it might change the exhaust. The exhaust may be a tad bit louder, so we're going to see. Also stay tuned because I plan on doing a muffler delete on this car very soon, so stay tuned to that. But today we're going to be installing the Z tube. Gonna go to my boy Mark house. You already know him, of course, so y'all just stay tuned to this vlog, man. Very interesting. I'm gonna do an installation video, gonna hear how the way the engine sounds before and after. So yeah, like I just said, y'all stay tuned to the video. Gonna be a real interesting video. And right now we're just warming up the G because, believe it or not, I haven't drove this car in about a week and a half, man. So warming up the G, I feel like it's really good to, you know, let your car warm up, especially when it's an older car. Get all that oil in there, you know, lubricate the engine before you really just try to take off and just go with it. So yeah, so right now I'm just waiting for it to warm up. It's going up a little bit more right now. So yeah, I know y'all don't care about this part of the video, so I'll see y'all when we get to Mark's. All right, I just pulled up to Mark's house. Y'all see, you know, we finna go ahead and do it. I'm about to show y'all the part right now. Show y'all the part. As y'all can see, I got a whole lot of stuff in the trunk, but this is what I was talking about, the Z tube. Yes, sir. So I don't know, it's like a difference in horsepower with the 350Zs and the G35. So the 350Z has about 287 and this car is at 280. So I wonder, is this the difference? Because it's the same powertrain, same everything. So could this be the reason why I'm losing that 7 horsepower? We'll find out. I'm gonna show y'all the before and after. So yeah, we finna get to work, finna go ahead and do this, man. So stay tuned on the video and let's get it. So pretty much it's gonna go like this or something like that, but you see with all this stuff, all this little blockage that you get with the, you know, the G35, it'll come, it's not as straight as this. So the goal is to get more air so it'll sound a lot better. All right, so Mark, you said you had this on your car before, right? Yeah. So to the viewers out there, because I never did it, right? What is this like? What does it actually like do? Like what is it gonna like do to the engine? Like, is it gonna make it louder? Is it the exhaust gonna sound different? Like,
well, it's gonna basically increase the air going from the intake to the, you know, from the air getting sucked into the intake. It's gonna increase that because this stock one has a bunch of chambers in it that is
a whole bunch
basically
is blocking it.
Yeah, it's like robbing the air. And this is gonna just make it a straight flow through.
Okay, I get it. Okay.
So
and you're gonna hear like the engine more, right?
Yeah, you'll be able to hear it sucking in air a lot more. You'll probably gain maybe 1 or
7
2 horsepower, maybe.
Okay.
Realistically, you know. It could be 1 to 10. You know, you could gain 10, you could gain 1. It just
it all depends.
It's definitely gonna help your car breathe better for sure.
Okay. And does it do anything like to the exhaust, like with that? Is it gonna make it louder or anything?
Nah, not necessarily. It's just gonna, like I said, it's just gonna really be upgrading and getting your car better air, really. It's not really gonna do nothing for the exhaust.
Okay. For y'all that don't know, Mark actually owned a G35. Why did he sell it? I don't know. But yeah, y'all, I'm kind of interested to see what this is gonna sound like, how it's gonna do. And then I ain't never seen, you know, like besides a video, like this whole little setup. So this is actually kind of cool because I be watching those like on the videos. this whole little setup without the engine cover. It's kind of clean.
Yeah. I've seen that car show. Some people like polish it up. Looks hella nice.
Yeah, it do look hella nice, huh?
Yeah.
So this is the OEM one. You see, you got all this little stuff all around it, so it's not a straight tube.
Yeah, look, ayy, stay on leeching for the energy. I ain't worried, give a fuck about the enemy. Beat it, got them thinking it was 10 of me. That's why tonight I'm on the weed, not the Hennessy. Lying, but I tell you how it really be. Dropping game, I could sprinkle for infinity. I'm the player of the year if I do say, cause I treat a Saturday like a Tuesday. Came through with the sauce for the soul food. Eat good, smoke great, that's a whole move. Whole time, half time for the smoke break. In the mission, from the mission for the long cake. Laced up, rope chain, got my tongue tied. Top down, out, let them sun dry. I'm that and I said it before I had proof. Can't believe it till they see it, that's a sad truth. Hey, I be out of town all the time, out of blood rush. You be out of line, out of bounds, out of comeback. I be out of town all the time, where it does at. You be telling lies in your rhymes, where your funds at. Mailbox money in my real name. 30 years old and they still lame. Tryna kick it in the H like a field goal. Touchdown with finesse, that's a heel toe. Look, what you thought? Think better. Sundress, no drawers, got the seat wetter. Got my suede jumpsuit for the wind chill. Hot girl, but she blowing like a windmill. Truly, I ain't got a flex for the routine. Too clean with a plate full of poutine. Worrying about me can't help you. Way better when it's heard and it's felt too. Get my weed from the west, gold from the south. Show 'em how to make them triple O's from the couch. Counting on luck, ain't a life plan. I'ma have the last laugh for a lifespan. Hey, I be out of town all the time, out of blood rush. You be out of line, out of bounds, out of comeback. I be out of town all the time, what it does at. You be telling lies in your rhymes, where your funds at.
Finished product, y'all can see is on. We're gonna see what that thing sound like. See if it's a difference or if it's not a difference. Y'all let me know in the comments. Okay, god damn. Big difference, y'all. Hey, I would recommend this mod if you ain't got it, but like I always do, I'ma always let y'all know if it's worth it or not. But as of right now, it's worth it. So I gotta go take that test drive around the block to go see. We both finna do it, so stay tuned to the video. All right, y'all, since Mark did it, I'll let him the honors to go ahead and test it out, and then I'll do my little test drive. He excited. He said, can I please drive your G35? It's all good, bruh. I ain't tripping. I told you just go get you one, bruh. Like, God. Can I drive your G35?
For sure did. I'm about to burn the most rubber this car ever seen.
Oh,
watch.
hell no. Please don't.
Definitely hear it for sure.
Yeah, probably more on the driver's seat than the passenger. But you actually drive it.
Yeah. You're mainly gonna hear it from like 3 to 6, like in the mid to high RPMs is when you're gonna hear it sucking more for sure. Right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a nice little mod.
Nice little mod, huh?
Yeah, I did it to mine.
Secure. Don't check engine lights either, y'all. So y'all wondering in the comment section, does this mod make your engine light turn on? No engine lights, no nothing, no lights on it at all.
Nothing.
So
You're not messing with anything
good.
electrical or nothing.
Yeah. The only thing he removed, y'all, to be honest, was the vacuum. Vacuum hose, and that was
Just
it.
relocated it to below the piping for a cleaner look.
Yep. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and test this thing out right now. We're gonna see what this thing do. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this thing going crazy. Yeah, this is going crazy. Yeah, like you said, like around 3,000. You really hear like around 4 to 5 though. That's what you really hear. Thanks, man.
You're welcome.
I appreciate you.
You already know, brother. Video coming soon. Stay tuned on this nigga channel.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Finally did that little mod onto the Infiniti. You know what I'm saying? So we finna go ahead and go crazy. I'm gonna give you a whole bunch of content with just that mod and tell y'all if I like it or not. We're gonna do POV drives and all different type of stuff. Look at this dude. And then y'all stay tuned for that muffler delete, because it's already kind of popping right now. So when I do that muffler delete, I think it's gonna sound even better. So slowly but surely, this car is gonna come together. But yeah, y'all continue to follow this build and the G37 build, because we finna go crazy. And you never know what I might add to the arsenal too. So y'all just stay tuned. I'll catch y'all in the next vlog. I'm out. Peace.